So when I logged onto my Payhip store, I immediately saw this message, right? I said to myself, finally an Etsy competitor. I was so excited. Okay guys, so let's be honest here. Selling on Etsy has many sellers feeling anxious and vulnerable, okay? So one wrong move and your entire shop could disappear forever. But what if there was a new marketplace that focuses on digital product creators with clear guidelines and a supportive community? So now I guess the big question is this the Etsy killer we've all been waiting for? So buckle up my friends, because we're about to explore everything you need to know about the upcoming Payhip Marketplace. Hi everyone, I am Raquel and I bring you the tools you need for digital product sales success. Okay, so first things first, let us start by examining what is Payhip Marketplace. So for those of us who is unfamiliar with Payhip has traditionally been a platform where product creators could create their own storefronts to sell digital items. Now they're adding a marketplace feature similar to Etsy, right? So where creators can list their products alongside others, all right? So this means more exposure for sellers and more extensive shopping experience for buyers. Okay guys, so if you have a Payhip store, when logging in, you will be faced with this Payhip Marketplace notice informing everyone that they will be launching their marketplace soon. So I want you guys to imagine this, right? You create incredible digital products, but discovering them can be tough. Let's face it, building an audience from scratch on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, or any other social media platform takes time. So Payhip Marketplace will put your work in front of potential customers who are actively searching for what you offer. So I know you guys are probably wondering about the fees, how much this will cost, okay? So let us look at the fees. So Payhip standard fees are 5% transaction fee, which applies to the marketplace sales, along with the usual Payhip or Stripe fees, okay? So there are a few things to keep in mind to ensure smooth sailing. We have to ensure eligibility. Your store needs at least $10 in total sales and approval from the Payhip's team, okay? Then individual product review. Each product goes through an approval process, so you can track this process and see approval details on your products page. And next you have digital focus. So for now, currently only digital products are supported, but physical products support is definitely on the horizon. All right. And also you'll have to tag your products to help your customers to find your products, right? So by adding relevant tags during the submission, right? So guys, it was not stated whether you will need to have a Payhip store or not, okay? But in the meantime, you can probably create your Payhip store, because I have a video here and I will also link it in the description below that will teach you how to create a Payhip store. So look, to be honest, I don't know how all this will play out, but I am very happy that there might be a potential competition for Etsy. So with this said, let me show you how you can submit your product on Payhip's marketplace. Okay guys, let me log into Payhip. Okay guys, so I've logged into Payhip. This is a store that I haven't been pretty active with, and I definitely created this so I can teach from it. So I'm actually working on this store to bring it back to life. Okay, so let us go into products, right? So in products here, you'll see at the top, you have marketplace, reorder products, collections, reviews, and more, right? You can add new product, etc. So I have 5 products currently. So let us just click on marketplace to see what's in there. It's a place where you can keep track of all the items you've added to the marketplace, okay? But here it is telling you how to submit the products to the marketplace. Okay guys, so basically the marketplace tab will tell you how to add the products. All right, so let us go back, and we have, in order to add the products, we have to go to edit. So let us edit this one. This is a freebie here, this one here, and we will go through the process of adding the product to the marketplace. Okay, so in order to add the product, we have to click on category and tag, and from here you can see Payhip Marketplace. So Payhip Marketplace will be the perfect place for you to share your work with the world. Okay, so it basically provided some information that you can use to put your product on the marketplace. All right, so here we will have to select the category, and as you can see, they do have a wide variety of categories. I see jewelry, although they are only focusing on digital products at the moment, they still made some provision for physical products as well. As you can see here, shirts, shorts, swimsuits, etc. Okay, so what I have is a digital planner, and let me type this in. So digital planner self-improvement. Okay, so this will be fine, and I need tags. As it is stated here, press enter to create tags. So we can insert up to 10 tags. So what I will do is go into ChatGPT or wherever and get some tags. Okay guys, so I have my 10 tags. Let me insert them here. Okay, so it is not allowing me to insert everything at once. So let me pause this and get back to you. Okay guys, so what I've done is I took the words from ChatGPT, and I've copied that, as you can see here, and I am using Notepad, and I will paste the words here and just copy this one by one. Okay, so I have everything copied now. Yeah, it's a pretty tedious task. So if there's an easier way, guys, feel free to share it below so that all of us will be able to use it when everything is ready. So now I will go ahead and save changes and see what happens. Okay, so if product have been saved, was it added? I don't know. Let us go to marketplace, and we have the marketplace products. Okay, so this product is in review. However, I don't think that it will qualify because my store does not have any sales whatsoever. All right, but this is what it would look like, and of course, after the review, Payhip employees, I guess, after manually reviewing this, they will decide whether my product made the marketplace or not. All right. So guys, I want us now to examine how we as digital product creators will benefit from this. Okay, so we have effortless exposure, right? So no more relying solely on your own existing audience. And we have the marketplace recommends your products to new customers, which is basically expanding your reach. And thirdly, we have simple submission. So getting started is easy, just a few clicks to submit your products, and you're on your way to wider discovery. So guys, I know it can be frustrating to have your livelihood threatened by account suspension and cancellations, but with Payhip's new marketplace, we finally have a digital creator friendly alternative. So when the store actually launches, I will do another video showing you around. So if this is your thing, guys, please subscribe if you want to be informed. So in the meantime, let me know in the comments below what kind of digital products you're excited to sell on the Payhip Marketplace. Let me know below, guys. Let's keep the conversation going. Don't be quiet. All right. Also, if you want to set up your Payhip store while waiting for the Payhip Marketplace, then this video will help you do that. See you over there.